The child tax credit has been on your tax return, but this year, for 2021, it is an expanded credit and it offers more money. The child tax credit was expanded as part of the pandemic relief effort. It always existed on the tax return, but now it is much higher. And the advance payments went out from July through December, and it was up to half of what you were supposedly expected to be owed. And you were given those in monthly installments for each child, 17 and younger. So on average, some families were receiving $450 extra a month. That's a rough number on average. What's important to note about this tax season is half of the credit was paid out to you last year. And then going forward in tax season, you need to file that tax return to get the other half that you're due. Another important distinction of the child tax credit on the 2021 return. You did not have to have a job. You did not have to have income. This was a credit designed to help people, give them more money. The idea was to help bring children out of poverty, and many advocates say this was very successful in doing that. Right now, you're going to be looking for letter 6419, and what it does is two specific things. It tells you how many children this advance credit is based on, and it tells you the total dollar amount that they think you received. Parents who file the joint return, I've heard from tax preparers that they're supposed to be getting 2 letters. But the reason you want that is because if you just put in a number based on your own bank account information, and if it was vastly different from the IRS, what the IRS is saying, that's going to trigger a delay. The IRS is going to have to manually process this. They're going to view that as a mistake, and it's going to make your refund late. A person who had a baby, say, a year ago in January or a year ago in February definitely wants to look at the child tax credit, because they would still be owed 6 months of payments from, those advance payments, and they'd be owed that half a payment on the return. So they could be looking at, substantially more money. Parents who did not receive an advance payment last year, it's still possible to receive the full amount that you're owed for the child tax credit, but you need to file a 2021 return. There's money that they would be leaving on the table by not filing a return.
Hey, thanks for watching. If you like this video, check out these other videos from USA Today to stay up to date with all the latest news.